Colon. Have you found yourself setting goals every year but eventually losing interest? Did you have every intention to make a difference by accomplishing your goals but then not following through? It is easy to get frustrated when this happens. Because of your frustration, it is less likely you will set any goals the next year. Don't let that happen. You can make a difference in the world. Pursuing appropriate goals will help you do that. The problem may not have anything to do with setting goals. It may have everything to do with the goals you set. Ask yourself a question: are your goals in alignment with your life purpose? If not, it should be no surprise that you lose interest. You need to develop goals that are consistent with forwarding your purpose in life. When your goals are aligned with your passions, you are more likely to be persistent and accomplish them, even through difficult times. You don't know what your life purpose is? Start today to determine what it is. My life changed drastically when I realized my purpose. I know yours will as well. Until then, your goals will never have the meaning and excitement they will hold for you when they are aligned with your purpose. There are many great books that can provide you a step-by-step method for realizing your life purpose. The books that helped me and I strongly recommend are The Power to Be Your Best by Todd Duncan. The Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren. Once you know your purpose, setting goals and prioritizing how you spend your time will be easier. You will also be surprised at how much you accomplish as your efforts and passions come together. Get started today on making sure your goals and life purpose are in alignment. Your unique experiences and skills are needed to help make the world a better place.